Cheerful morning, dears. Today, in listening skill session, we are going to learn a very interesting moral story. The story name is Having a Best Friend. Very interesting, isn't it? We all have friends. There is a saying that with good friend, you are a hero. Without good friend, you are a zero. Yes, of course, the value of friendship is priceless. So precious that its value cannot be determined. Am I correct now? Let me tell the overview of the story. Here, the two friends were spending leisure time. They had some misunderstanding. One friend was hurting another one. It is happening among friends. Have you gone through this situation? Doesn't matter. It will go off. Okay. Let me continue. After some time, the one friend who hurted another friend was saving his friend's life. Good to hear, no? This is beauty of friendship. Friends are always friends. The second friend reacted to all the situation is highlights of this story. The story tells you a good moral value. Importance of moral story. The moral of a story is supposed to teach you how to be a better person. If you have a strong moral character, you are a good member of society. I know you all are very good, obedient students. Table of context. Story, synonyms, recap, reading practice passage, activity. Shall we start a story? Are you interested? Let's go. Having a best friend. A story tells that two friends were walking through the desert. During some point of the journey, they had an argument, and one friend slapped the other one in the face. The one who got slapped was hurt, but without saying anything, wrote in the sand, "Today, my best friend slapped me in the face." They kept on walking until they found an oasis where they decided to take a bath. The one who had been slapped got stuck in the miry clay and started drowning. But the friend saved him. After he recovered from the near drowning, he wrote on a stone, "Today, my best friend saved my life." The friend who had slapped and saved his friend asked him, "After I hurt you, You wrote in the sand and now you write on a stone. Why? The other friend replied, when someone hurts us, we should write it down in sand where winds of forgiveness can erase it away. But when someone does something good for us, we must engrave it in stone where no wind can ever erase it. Moral of the story: don't value the things you have in your life, but value who you have in your life. In simple way, we can say value your friendship. Synonyms. Did you enjoy the story, my dears? Shall we go through the new words and its meanings? Desert, a dry, barren area of land. Oasis, a fertile spot in a desert where water is found. Miry clay, sludge or mud. Drowning, submerged in water, being unable to breathe. Engrave, carve on the surface of a hard object. Shall we go a small recap? Two friends went out for fun time. One friend have got hurt and helped by another friend. Explanation given about value of friendship. Moral tells you about friendship. Here I have given you reading practice passage. Hari leaves for work at 9 every morning. He works in the local branch of the firm of which his uncle is the owner. Hari's success is really the fruit of his own labor. He is happy, but he has a small problem. The root cause of his problem is a stray dog near his office. The dog welcomes Hari with a loud bark every day. Dears, you try to read the passage carefully and do the following activity. Activity: find 5 words in the reading practice passage which are generally associated with trees, but here they have been used differently. Try to use that words and form new sentences. After your writing, you submit your report through the LMS portal assignment session. Thank you, my dears.